can you give us any specific metrics that your customer as a businesses actually enhanced their productivity? Do you have any examples?
There's a lot of the metrics are, kind of wishy-washy. Like you can say increase productivity by 30%. I would say the one that most fundamental is the one we talked about earlier. Notion can replace many tools in one. So even like, for example, one of the one of the design agency who we used to use in a dozen softwares. They use Google Docs, Confluence, Microsoft Office, Trello, all those products, and they replaced those a dozen products essentially with Notion itself because the product Notion is very flexible.